Since its first launched model, the Roadster appeared on the road, Tesla set the benchmark for every manufacturer on the EV market. The monster German companies like Daimler, BMW or Volkswagen Group spent about 10 years to design vehicles able to challenge the Tesla model range. And today, we will look over the models ready to face Tesla's prominent Model S and how they can complete this hard mission. The Model S, alongside the Model X, remains Tesla's flagship vehicle. This 5-door liftback sedan started its journey back in 2012, and since then has got a lot of improvements. Due to all these enhancements, the Model S could actually deliver 390 miles in EPA range, which is significantly higher than any other vehicle on the common usage roads. Moreover, the Plaid mode Musk promised to bring on this model already in 2020 will turn Tesla's big sedan into a real beast. In addition to this option, the Model S will assumably get a new battery pack with improved chemistry technologies that will help increase the driving range up to an unprecedented 400 miles in EPA. So what can the contendent manufacturers offer to sway Tesla off the path? One of the most ambitious rivals of the Tesla Model S is the Lucid Air, recently announced in its production version. The history of Lucid Motors began in 2006, when a company mostly engaged in the battery and powertrain technologies came into the market with the intention to design an all-electric, high-performance luxury vehicle. Just after 3 years of struggling financially, the company looks to be ready to start the regular production of this so-awaited electric car at its Arizona factory. The Lucid Air first modification, presumably dubbed Dream Edition, could cost over $100,000, and the company is currently accepting $1,000 deposits. Every early driver will be able to enjoy the impressive 400-mile range, a top speed of 200 miles per hour, and a claimed 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.5 seconds. To achieve all those stunning, although estimative specs, the manufacturer is relying on its long-term experience in developing batteries for the Formula E and a highly efficient motor with hope to overcome Tesla's impressive figures. The company also plans to make the cheaper version of the Lucid Air, but they will come later. The Lucid CEO and CTO Peter Rawlinson, who has earlier worked at Tesla as a VP of engineering, declared that the Air is going to be equipped with a more than 900-volt system and set a new efficiency standard with its 4 to 5 miles of range per kilowatt-hour for a full-size luxury sedan. So we just need to wait for April, when the final ready-to-deliver version of the Lucid Air will be unveiled at the New York Auto Show. While we still have some time to see the new Lucid Air and compare the vehicle's real performance with the proclaimed ones, the fully electric Porsche Taycan is already rolling on the roads. The Taycan is slightly smaller than the Porsche's flagship Panamera, both in exterior and interior dimensions. The design, in its turn, enables an impressive 0.22 drag coefficient. Built on the battery pack skateboard platform, the Taycan uses a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces 460 kilowatts power output during normal driving. At the launching moment, the first all-electric Porsche was available only in 2 modifications, Turbo and Turbo S. The most powerful S version delivers 560 kilowatts power output and 774 pound-feet of torque. The Turbo version has a maximum output of 500 kilowatts and 626 pound-feet of torque. The existing powertrain pushes the Turbo S to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds from a start, while the Turbo needs 3 seconds for this run. As a response to large complaints about the high price of these modifications, Porsche is going to start the sales of Taycan 4S that arrives just 6 months after the debut of the higher versions. The new 4-door sedan, which is cheaper by nearly $50,000, shares the same chassis, front motor and suspension as its more powerful siblings, but it offers a shorter features list, less power, and a choice between 2 battery capacities. It will be available already in a couple of months and could become a huge headache for the Tesla Model S. Audi, as a part of Volkswagen Group, assumably shares the same Porsche Taycan platform for its future fully electric big sedan. The concept appeared first at the Los Angeles Auto Show 2018. The production version of the e-tron GT will be about the same size as an existing A7 and will feature a distinctive sleek body shape and a sporty profile. It will be equipped with the company's famous Quattro all-road system that can distribute power to every individual wheel. The company claims the e-tron GT will be able to achieve 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds. The power is delivered by 2 electric motors for a total output of 434 kilowatts. We could expect that its 800-volt charging system can boost 80% of the 90 kilowatt-hours battery in about 20 minutes. Besides, it could also feature wireless charging technologies. The real-world range of the e-tron GT prototype is estimated to be about 223 miles on a full charge. Audi assures the e-tron GT will enter production by the end of 2020, and the first deliveries of production cars are scheduled for the first months of 2021. There is no strict information regarding Audi e-tron GT prices, but assumably they could start at around $100,000. Another big German manufacturer, the Daimler AG, with its Mercedes-Benz EQS, hopes to make a rivalry with Musk's company. So far, the models of EQ range in the Mercedes lineup have been shaped like crossovers, and the EQS comes to change the pace, as the automaker describes it to become a trailblazer for the entire Mercedes-Benz EQ family. Actually, the EQS is available only as a concept, but there is enough information to estimate what it can deliver to market when it goes to production in 2021. Based on the concept car specs, the EQS will feed its 350 kilowatts 2 electric motors through a battery pack of approximately 100 kilowatt hours. The produced power is enough to hit 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The battery pack should be of huge capacity to perform a real-world range of 388 miles on a full charge. The manufacturer is also talking about a 350 kilowatts fast charging capacity, which will recharge the battery to 80% in considerably less than 20 minutes. Though it's still unclear how much one needs to pay for an all-new Mercedes-Benz EQS, the starting price should be comparable with the actual S-Class figures. And finally, it's worth mentioning the most misty project possibly challenging the Tesla Model S. The famous British Jaguar brand is going to totally close the production of its flagship XJ sedan in its existing modifications by switching to the fully electric version. As the carmaker stated, the upcoming EV will become the first of a range of new electrified vehicles that are going to be produced at the newly opened Castle Bromwich plant. There are not many official details about the new electric XJ. It can be expected to be built on a JLR new modular longitudinal architecture platform that can support both EV and ICE drivetrains. Some non-official reports say that the electric version will have a range of about 292 miles on a full charge. Some British motoring magazines close to JLR say the vehicle might be available with a 100 kilowatt-hours battery pack for an expected range of more than 300 miles. At the same time, the battery pack will power 4 electric motors, one on each wheel, meaning the XJ will enter the market as a 4-wheel drive model. Each motor is expected to provide as much as 150 kilowatts output, which suggests the XJ could compete not only with the Tesla Model S, but some well-known supercars. So, what are your favorite Tesla Model S competitors? Do you think the good old German brands will be able to keep the pace, or the newbies like Lucid will bite their piece from the market pie? Share your ideas with us below in the comments lines and stay with us to be aware of all this exciting news of the EV world.